wood key. The table is set for the visit of Queen Victoria in 1960. So, this part of the house was not here during the war. This part of the house was built in 1880. Yeah. During the war, it was just a log cabin. So, and that's why the basement is the original. So you can head downstairs if you like later, but the house went through 3 renovations.
Queen Victoria.
Oh, Queen Victoria.
Yeah.
In the corner there is where Grandma used to sleep. Back in the day, of course, it's always show respect to the elders. So they would sleep at the best and the warmest part of the house. Before that was built, she actually slept here, which was right next door to the fire. So she was always kept in high regards. Mary Gage. Yeah. Well, she's the one that brought the entire family here, so. I guess, you know what, you have to. That they call that the larder, and that's where they put their some of the preserves that they're gonna eat during the day, their vegetables and things like that. And it's a spinning wheel, as you can see at the very. Now there's a key on the table, if you can see that. That's the original key to the house, and there is a peeler, an apple peeler, that big long wooden thing, right behind it. The key, that's original to the house.
Oh, so they're 100 years. The water.
It's more than 100
More than
years.
100 years, yeah.
Yeah, that's original. We don't have original pieces of the place, but some of them did belong to the Gages. So, yeah. Upstairs, actually, one of the beds belonged to the Gages, so when you go upstairs, you'll see that as well.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any other questions, just, if you want to know the history, I can tell you the history of the war, whatever you like.
Okay.
Okay?
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Don't bring your umbrella in, please, sir. Leave it right there. Yeah, thank you very much.
If I had history, I could go all the way up there.
And on Saturday and Sunday, we have 3 battle reenactments that depict 3 different sort of scenes from that time period. So the Saturday afternoon battle is the British retreat from Niagara. Saturday evening battle is the Battle of Stony Creek, it's the big one. And then the Sunday afternoon battle is the American retreat from Stony Creek to Grimsby. And we normally do fireworks on Saturday night, but this year we're doing a drone show. So I'm excited about that. A little bit more environmentally friendly, a little bit less booming for our animal friends.
And the neighbors.
Yeah.
How long did the Americans stay in Alzheimer?
That's a good question. I'm not sure. I think they stayed there longer than they were here. Good question. 125, the last 2. And we're moving up to passing what we had yesterday on the 7th. Yeah. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. 여기 얘가 이 커튼 연습된 애들 야 이런 커튼 애들
Oh, the other house has something different. The other house has this as well.
đại vậy đó.
It is Queen Mary.
Yeah, what was this one?
Đúng rồi. Queen McLean.
Oh, by Queen Mary, you're right, it was Queen Mary. Oh, but she was at Buckingham Palace when they pushed the button. That was a big deal back then. Interesting.
Queen Stock Electrical. Queen Mary, là tại có Mary. Cái này không sợ mà. Fix det, de är inte så mycket bara. Vad fin du är. Så.